automatic transmissions ZF9HP48 and Chrysler 948TE, fitted to American, European, and Asian vehicle brands. Today we will focus on rebuilding the torque converter lockup unit of the 9HP48. Our technician has already disassembled the torque converter, and we will walk you through the repair challenge. The torque converter lockup unit assembly in this torque converter is designed such that replacing the friction plate requires disassembling the riveted joint between the piston and the body. In our view, the most practical disassembly method is to drill out the rivet connecting the piston to the leaf spring. However, due to the clearance gap between the rivet and the body, reassembly will require a specialized tool. To solve this problem, we developed the TCRT03 tool. Using it, we will rebuild the lockup unit and explain how it works. The tooling kit includes the following components. The repair process consists of 2 stages. We will begin with disassembly. Place the torque converter body on the stand. To disassemble this unit, center punch each factory rivet to prepare for drilling. Drill out the rivets following the fixture manual recommendations. Drive out the rivets using a punch or drift. Remove the piston, then the friction plate. If necessary, rebond the friction lining. Remove the remaining rivet stubs from the springs as shown in the video. Using the punch from the kit, remove the plugs from the piston. Ream the holes in the piston to the correct diameter for rivet installation. Install the rivets under the leaf springs as shown in the video. Next, place a support under each rivet. During reassembly, the supports serve a critical role as the backing piece for rivet forming. Then install the friction plate and the piston so that the rivets align with the corresponding holes in the piston, and the upper portions of the supports protrude through the center of the holes where the plugs were previously located. The resulting assembly with supports in place should look as follows. Install the jig and insert the alignment pin. Secure the jig and clamp the piston using 3 screws. Install the punch. The assembly is now ready for rivet pressing. Place the stand on the hydraulic press, then place the assembly on the stand. Now press in all 6 rivets one by one. A cross-sectional diagram of this assembly shows that the supports we installed earlier eliminate the clearance gap between the rivet and the body. These supports are made of bimetal with a hardened working surface. This ensures their durability and protects the body, piston, and friction plate from damage. During pressing, the punch transfers force onto the rivet, forming a zero clearance joint between the piston and the leaf spring. Rivet pressing is complete. The fixture assembly can now be disassembled. Remove the supports, lifting the piston with a screwdriver if necessary. Using the punch and a hammer, install the plugs into the piston. The lockup unit has been rebuilt. Reassemble the torque converter in reverse order. Contact information for placing an order is provided on the screen. Thank you for watching.